Hello. Hello, good morning everyone. Very warm welcome to babycode free IELTS sessions. I'm Tanu Vimani, an IDP certified trainer and a TEFL and TESOL certified trainer. I'm back with my sessions for the tips part. I'm going to provide you some tips, but before watching this session, please go back and watch all the 3 sessions for the tips for the reading part. I have already uploaded on the babycode app as well as on the YouTube, so you can watch that. And today's session is about writing. 10 tips to improve your writing band score. How candidates are struggling with the writing band scores, an average band of 6 or 5.5, and not able to achieve more than 7 and above. So I will help you that how you can improve your writing band score. The very first step is study the assessment criteria. Now, this is the best way to impress your examiners also, like what they are looking for. They look for everything which is there in the band descriptors. The band descriptors for both task 1 and task 2 can be downloaded for free. These resources, they outline the skills and behavior that a test taker needs to demonstrate for each band score. So you can also have a look here. See this. How a candidate scores band 7 and band 8. Right? So you can analyze, you can read the band descriptor chart so that you have an idea what you need to look here. Second is plan your time. Task 2 is worth twice as much as task 1 when it comes to calculating your final band score. So, with this in mind, you should plan about 40 minutes on the task 1 and 20 minutes on the task 40 minutes on the task 2 and 20 minutes on the task 1. And if you spend too much time on task 1, you may find yourself unable to finish task 2, which will result in a lower overall writing band score. So make sure you plan your time. Tip number 3, read the task outline twice. Now, you should read your question very carefully that what you're supposed to answer. You should address all the parts of the task. You should never leave any part unanswered. So it's important to fully understand the task you are completing. IELTS examiner will give higher scores to the test taker who fully address all parts of the task. And they show also that yes, they have developed answers on the topic. So highlight or write down the different elements of the task scenario or question, or make sure you address all of these in your answer. Tip number 4, draft your answer. Spend some time planning your answers can help you achieve higher scores, especially for the coherence and cohesion assessment criteria. Cohesion and coherence means how logically you arrange your ideas. So examiners, they look for evidence that you can organize your ideas logically, and try to aim that you will cover one key topic in each paragraph, and you read your essay or letter to make sure that ideas flow well together. Tip number 5, show off your vocabulary. Examiners, they look for evidence that you can use a wide range of vocabulary correctly. You can improve your vocabulary by reading from different language sources such as newspapers, magazines, blogs. Look up for any words you don't know and practice using them before your test. If you find yourself using the same words over and over, think about any other words you can use instead. So make a use of wide range of vocabulary, using the words in the right context basically. Tip number 6, use a mix of sentence structure. You should use exactly both complex and simple sentence structure in your writing task answers. If you're not comfortable, then do not use it. But even if you're comfortable using complex sentence structures, make sure these are broken up by short and simple sentences. Using too many complex sentence structures can make your test answers sound clunky. So do not overuse it. Tip number 7, perfect your punctuation. Using the correct punctuation in the right place is extremely important. Correct punctuation can help your test answers flow in a way that showcase your English fluency. So if you are not sure what a certain punctuation symbol means, keep things simple and avoid using it. Okay? Tip number 8, know when to use formal language. Formal language uses a professional or an academic tone that you might use while at work or university. Informal language is more casual tone which you might use when speaking to your friends. So if the task you're working on requires formal language, you should avoid using slang, crushes, and contractions. And if you are talking about academic task 1, like academic writing test, task 1 and task 2 both are in formal languages. But if it is general test, then formal language for task 2, task 1 can be formal or it can be informal also, right? It depends on the topic of the letter. Tip number 9, take some practice tests. Achieve a great score with IELTS practice, time and planning. You just can't book and take your test. You have to improve your English skills. So successful test taker, they always create a schedule so that they can help themselves to study. So it's a time to practice all 4 skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking with the help of babycode application. And if you have any trouble, you can attend a free live class at 4 p.m. Right? There are so many candidates who are attending this session and having their doubts cleared and queries cleared. So do attend our session at 4 p.m. Right? Get a study partner with us. Like, we are a study partner for you. We are helping you and we are giving you personalized feedback also in our daily life sessions. So keep studying, keep practicing, and see your journey, right? Don't miss out on this golden opportunity with us on your IELTS journey. Stay tuned for more tips and strategies so that you can boost your overall score. Thank you for attending our session. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.